In this training episode, we will explain the process of creating animations and running them as actions when clicking on the wanted objects while viewing your PDF file. We are creating a simple animation here for the drawers to open when clicked on. First, we can create the animation by simply moving the time slider in the bottom timeline to a different frame, then move the drawer in the direction of opening. As you can see, keys of the animation appear on the frames for us to create an animation sequence. We select those keys and create the animation sequence, making sure to tick the Create Reverse option. Now that we have our sequence, we select the drawer geometry and we add the play sequence actions to it. After we've finished, we can test it in our 3D PDF file. A point to take in mind in that you better delete the keyframes from your timeline or uncheck the Play Animation option from the PDF settings.